All right, Mr. Dirt Perfect has finally made it home from his Florida trip.
I did.
And we are headed
Back on
out
the
this
road.
morning. Back on the road. Where are we headed, guys?
To the Farm Machinery Show.
To the Farm Machinery Show. Whoop, whoop.
We going to Louisville, Kentucky or Louisville, Kentucky?
In my book, we're going to Louisville, Kentucky.
I'm just asking.
Where are we going in your book?
Farm Machinery Show.
Yeah, but what do you call it? Do you call it
I
Louisville
call
or
it Louisville.
You call it Louisville. You don't call it Louisville.
I always go to Louisville.
Nuh-uh. Louisville? That's just not right.
You
That's
gotta
not what
explain
it
that
is.
in our parts there's always a big discussion about the proper pronunciation of
Yeah.
Louisville.
Yeah, it's technically spelt Louisville. Louisville. Apparently, neither of us have it right either. I say Louisville and he calls it Louisville,
It's the last
apparently.
day of the show, so we're gonna splurge and
We're gonna splurge, huh? What are we splurging on?
we're gonna Gunner skip at a basketball game so we can do this.
Gunner, well, yes.
Sacrificing for the family.
He's got a basketball game today.
Had to choose between basketball and tractors.
Yeah, and we've had a lot of basketball games, and it's bitty ball at school. We're skipping out so we can go to the farm show. So we're off. Stay tuned to what we see and who we see. All right, we're here.
We are here.
Well, we're here, but we're not inside yet.
No, but
It doesn't count as we're here. Yeah, Mom. It doesn't count.
okay. Well, I was just getting this nice little sign up here. You know, we'll be inside soon. We're here.
Why didn't
It's cold outside, guys.
It's not that cold out.
Yes, it is.
I think somebody's
Where we
being a little
gonna-
dramatic.
No. What are we gonna go look at first?
Where we go? Gunner's leading.
Gunner, where are we headed? Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Do it.
Yeah.
You can do it?
Look, there's buttons. See, he's moving it up there. Watch.
When you get it set back, you can do it.
All right.
All right, come on over here. All right, take this button, hit it. Hit this button twice right here. That's gonna have to finish it.
You can start. No, they'll hit a power pole, they hit the combine on it. If you picture your steering wheel is moving, your vehicle out there all sitting there. Your hand on the steering wheel, your approaching combine. So they forget about that other. When you see it over here, it's in the periphery, right? You see it on your yeah. Okay.
All right, now when you got it there, now move the other side. Any way you want, and that'll move it.
Reaching back. Even with a joystick like we are here, yeah, you can mount it to the left window, like with the door. But then you're reaching across with your right hand, and I'm not left-handed. It's like I won't even pretend like I'm good at it.
All up. Now, take this, push this button right here, push this button twice. All the way back over. You never do it so you can deliver and crawl on.
So there's a deal on the right. You'll go over the double tap that?
No, I did. There we go.
Is it your size? No. Bigger or smaller? That little dude looks cool. You hear me? Look at that little guy. You gotta go the other. You gotta go the other side.
I know, there's somebody in it.
I know. You gotta wait your turn. What'd you in, Gunnar? What is it? Forklift? Hmm.
You know you can get out.
Good night.
What do you think?
Should I start making my Christmas wish list now?
You're not getting anything considering you just bought something in Florida
That's like
I didn't buy anything. Clint bought something.
that you're
He's-
buying from
He said
him.
it's mandatory I buy that.
See? So yeah, you don't get to buy anything.
I don't think that one's open, bud.
Think you can handle this thing?
You know what I see right here?
What?
I see that Macy can reach pedals, which means she gets to go to work this year. Yeah.
Is that what that means?
I already know how to drive.
No. Look at the seat slides up somehow here. Look at that. Now what are you
I
gonna
could probably do it.
You think you can do it, Gunnar?
Yeah.
I think you could too.
do? Busted.
Watch out, let me get down.
Oh, he's closed, Mom.
He's gonna relax while he drives it.
Alright, let's keep going.
Whoa, there's some more over there.
Why are you recording right now?
Well, because we just so happened to come over here to the John Deere booth, and what did you tell me?
I said I'd probably own one of those if it had a roll-up door.
And I said he says that about every
Well,
one
that
of
brand
these.
over there that won't let me in their booth has a
Oh,
roll-up door.
oh. I'll zoom in. Kubota.
But that's where the lights for that one kind of end. So, but I found out at Con Expo that John Deere don't care what I think. So,
That's good to know.
yeah, like I said, it's all.
I've been in one of these before.
You trust Gunner driving this thing?
No.
You think you can drive this thing?
I can reach the pedals.
You can't reach the pedals, can't you?
Wait, let me try. I can reach everything. In
You
there.
push that pedal down, the steering wheel folds back. This one over here.
This one.
Push it back, pull back to you now.
Pull it back towards you.
There you go. That better?
That's
Uh-oh.
better. Now I
Reach it
can.
now.
Yeah.
All right, let Messi have a try.
You're gonna have to get out of the way. Yeah, let me sit down.
Fun. There's stuff over here. My question is, how are you gonna be able to reach the cup holder?
Let Messi have a try.
Where even is the cup holder?
Cup holder is back there.
Where?
What do you think? Can you spend all day in there?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I could spend all night in here.
You know that new truck I bought? It's got a seat like this in it.
Ooh, yay. So I could be like this?
It's got a
Yeah.
seat like this.
Yeah.
Nice.
Lieutenant Dan has that.
Yeah.
And you can fit 5
All right, let's hop down to the next person then. Looks so serious. He's gonna
He does look serious.
He realizes it's not real, right?
Yeah, I know,
It's not a
right?
real cow.
Yeah, not a real cow. Yeah, do that one. You didn't put your hand up.
Go ahead.
Okay. Climb up, Mace. Scoot over a little bit. Oh, look, she put her hand up.
All right, here we go. Look, right here at the camera, please. Wait for the flash in 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
All right.
This is pretty cool.
Not that. That's not pretty cool.
No, that is not. Okay, go. Go. That's cool.
There's that.
Whoa. Here, hold on. Let me go get it behind you.
I already opened the door.
Okay, go. Yeah, let me sit there.
Right here. Hold on. Got a couple. Got an air vent. We got buttons all over the place. Yay!
Okay, let me sit there.
And you got more space over here. Let me sit there.
This is pretty comfortable.
Now let's shut the door.
No, don't shut the door. Don't shut the door. Okay, now go. These other people.
Oh, they came out the other end.
Yeah, you gotta go in over here. Don't you know the way that a cow goes through a head chute?
Do I look like I own cows?
You gotta go through the squeeze gate and through the head chute, Miss Jenna.
Learn something every day. Gunnar went over there and took a picture on the bull, and he said he was going to ride a cow.
There you go.
He's riding a cow. I'm shooting the wrong kids, though. Here we go. Here's one. There's two. Where's Howard? Way down there at the other end. Well, why'd you get out for? I lost the other two. You told me I could fit in here, huh? Where'd Howard go?
He climbed out over there.
Climbed out the other way. There you are. I mean, I got hips though. I gotta like turn sideways.
I turn it.
No.
It doesn't see my hand.
This is on camera.
I'm going quick today. Hey Mom, this is where all right.
All right, let's go see what else we can find. You going up with her?
No.
Why? Okay. Please? You're going up with her? Watch where you're swinging at. Don't. Leave it alone. The kids are chilling out in the bucket. Thumbs up. He's all chillaxed in there. What are you seeing there, Gunnar?
All I see is a seat and a steering wheel and all of it. Wait, Mom, take this. Take this. Take this.
Did you enjoy yourself today?
I did. With the kiddos.
Did you guys have fun today?
What was your favorite tractor?
Thinking awfully hard. You don't have a favorite?
We are tired. We are hungry.
Yep.
We're gonna get something.
Did
to
you
eat.
have a favorite?
Have a favorite?
Yeah.
Uh, I've seen a couple skid steers that got my interest, which is kind of odd. But
Yeah.
I've been told I'm on a spending freeze right now.
Yeah, you're not allowed to buy anything right now.
So. You gonna tell me how you got lost?
Well, I didn't get lost. Well, we figured out, we went to these shops and we were literally right where we needed to be, and we hiked all the way back through to find them when we should have just stayed where we were at. We were right down there. Oh my gosh.
We literally walked over here, and we said this isn't where we were, and we walked back out.
All
Right.
tell them
Oh well.
We'll get
All right.
800.
Bye.